I'm here to do a sound check on the brand new Carbon Assassin from Rocky Mountain Hunting Calls. I've got the El Grande in my mouth. We're gonna go to 50, 100, 150 yards so you can hear what it sounds like from those distances. I've just found out that I'm not in elk shape.